Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, I'm Kay. I make cozy videos about journaling, everyday carry, reflection, and slowing down in a fast world. Today's video is a little different. I'm taking you with me on a trip, a quiet, cozy real-life journey to Texas. We'll be flying, journaling, unpacking thoughts and memories. And I hope this feels like a deep breath for you. So grab a drink, settle in, and let's travel together. Before any trip, I always go through this ritual of choosing what to bring. Not just clothes, but tools that make me feel at home even when I'm away. For this trip, my EDC journal setup is at the heart of it all. I packed my Paper Republic Grand Voyager pocket-sized journal, a leather cover that holds three small notebooks. It's compact, easy to carry, and full of space for thoughts I haven't even had yet. In one notebook, I write quotes and reflections. In another, I scribble lists, prayers, reminders, whatever my mind needs to get out. And in the last, I keep memories, conversations, small joys, things I saw that made me smile. Alongside my Paper Republic setup, I also packed my Traveler's Company journal, the regular size. I don't always bring both, but for this trip, I wanted something a little more flexible for ticket stubs, coffee sleeves, or just quick notes on the go. It's slim, beautiful, worn in, and always make me feel like I'm collecting memories and not just writing them down. I also packed my two Lamy Safari fountain pens, one with black ink and one with blue, plus a couple of felt tip pens for color, and of course my HP Sprocket photo printer, which prints 2x3 sticky back photos, perfect for journaling on the go. Travel days always feels a little chaotic, but I try to romanticize it. The airport becomes a place of possibility, and my favorite part? Finding a quiet corner, putting in my headphones, and opening my notebook. During the flight, I journaled mid-air. There's something sacred about writing about the clouds, like your thoughts are weightless too. I wrote about what I hope this trip would bring, about people I missed, about things I'm letting go of. I clipped in a photo I took from the window. It's not perfect, but it's mine. That's what I love most about journaling. It doesn't have to be beautiful to be meaningful. Landing in Texas felt like arriving somewhere familiar and new at the same time. There's a warmth in the air, and not just the weather, but in the people, the pace, the spaces. I found a cozy coffee shop near where I was staying, ordered a lavender latte, opened my journal. There's something grounding about writing in public, like you're alone but not lonely. I jotted down the colors I saw, the smell of cinnamon, a snippet of conversation between two strangers, tiny details that I would have forgotten if I didn't write them down. Throughout the trip, I made the time to journal even in the smallest pockets of the day. At a park bench, in a grocery store parking lot, waiting for food, I realized that writing doesn't require the perfect setting, it just needs intention. I used my photo printer to print a few shots, a mural I passed on the street, my favorite meal from the trip, the cover of a book I found in a secondhand store. Each one became a little anchor, a moment frozen in paper, and I'd write a few lines beside it. Not long essays, just enough to remember how I felt in that moment. This wasn't a big adventure, no crazy itineraries, but it felt full because I paid attention. One night I sat by the window, listening to the hum of the streetlights, and wrote about home. Sometimes it takes leaving to realize what you carry with you: gratitude, old fears, tiny hopes that quietly grow when you give them room. Traveling with my journal helped me process things I didn't even know I was carrying. And somehow, the trip felt more real because I wrote it down. So, that was my trip to Texas, or at least the parts I wrote down. I hope this video reminded you that you don't need a big trip to have a meaningful journey. Sometimes it's just a notebook, a pen, a willingness to notice the world. If you're thinking of starting a journaling EDC of your own or already have one, I'd love to hear what's in yours. What do you carry that keeps you grounded? And if you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments or hit the like button to support this little corner of calm. Thanks for coming with me. See you in the next one. As always, stay curious, stay kind, and keep thinking out of the box.